Hey squad, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're you're very welcome. So make sure you subscribe and like this video, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this video is just a get ready with me video. I was rushing out, I was going out, I was so hurry, so I just did this in a rush, and it's like a natural makeup look, nothing too much, no falsies, no extension, no lash extension. It's just like super easy and with my mascara. So firstly, I went on my crease and applied Jezebel from Nubian 2 palette, and I blended it in. You have to blend it in. Then after I applied Egypt on my eyelids, like a green eyeshadow, and I blended out the edges. So next, I'll be using the Maybelline Blackest Black gel eyeliner and using the Wet n Wild angle brush, and I'm gonna use that for my liner. Then I primed my face using NARS Pour and Shine primer, and then I went ahead and used the new NARS foundation in, I don't know how to pronounce the word, but I know I can pronounce it Guachi. It's like Guachi. This is like my perfect shade, and when it says full coverage, this is full coverage. I only used like 2 pumps, and this is so nice on my face. Like, I love it. I really love it. So next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in color Teddy Cafe, and I'm gonna use a small blender brush to blend this out. Like I said, I was in a rush. I didn't have the time to start using the beauty blender, so I just wanted this to be fast and easy. And anytime you want to do your face and you're in a rush, this is like very good. Just use something easy that's not gonna take your time. So next, I'm setting my eyes using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna apply all this. I'm gonna apply it all over my face because I want my face to be matte all day. Like I said, I was going out, I wanna look matte all day and nice. So I applied that all over my face, then went ahead and used the Nikki K contour duo in dark. I applied that on my forehead, all of my cheeks, and then I went ahead and used the Maybelline Fit Me powder in mocha, and use it to like dust off the translucent setting powder on my face, and just give me a nice brown look instead of me having like an ashy look with it. Translucent setting powder. And afterwards, I went ahead and contour my nose using the Nikki K contour duo. Then I used the Fenty highlighter duo, and I applied this on my cheekbone. I think this is the Osla Baby. Next, I'm using the Sleek eyeshadow palette. I bought that from Ulta. Yeah, and I've been in love with it. Like, the first color I'm using is so natural, and if I want it to be intense, I use the one in the middle. This palette is the bomb. So I'm using that on my cheek. Then I'm using the Fenty highlighter on my nose, the bridge of my nose, and also my Cupid's bow. Then next, I'm spraying my face using the Kat Von D setting spray. I'm spraying that face. And I'll be using the Fenty Beauty matte Moselle lipsticks. I guess I pronounced it right, in the color Griselda on my lips. Then moving ahead to my lashes, I'm using the They Are Real mascara by Benefit. I'm applying that on my lashes because I didn't use any falsies. I didn't use any lash extension. And after that, I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line too. My lower lashes. Gosh, I said lash line. On my lower lashes. So if you love how my hair looks, if you love my hair, my crochet, yes, it is crochet. I'm telling you, I use the rubber band method. You know my hair is extremely short, but I use the rubber band method, and I have the link in the description box below. And then I'm just gonna fix my hair, and that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, so let's chat, let's connect. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and until my next video, guys, I'm gonna see you. Bye, love you, and stay beautiful. Okay.